when it's raining. There's still a green farmland here, but soon it will be houses for sure. We're getting near to the house of my friend. I'm right that I borrowed the car of my friend, otherwise I will end up wet. These are the houses. This is where I plan to rent. Look at the houses. It's new, but it looks old. This is it after the Jeep. See, double parking. There is the house of my friend. That's his motorcycle. That's the neighborhood here. I'll check first if where's the house that he told me that's for rent. Okay, that's it. Now you know the place where I'm going to live.